So maybe my time spent in my life. How do you feel if I told you love me back? Would we give you things to that? Should
I'm so happy to be here tonight, as I am sure of all you are. I want to wish my kuya and Shea a wonderful life together. The two of you are really together, and today's event is just magical. Ang kuya mo po ay hindi lang best kuya, kuya lang. He is also my travel buddy, my food buddy, my best friend, and sometimes my mortal enemy. What I learned from being your little sister is unconditional love. I've always known that I love you unconditionally, but I never knew that you love me unconditionally. Not until the time na may desisyon ako na ayaw mo, na galit ka. But then, you still supported me and continue to make me happy. Kung napapansin niyo kanina, sa family picture, kasama namin lagi si Yuki. Si Yuki, dahil ang kuya ko ay hindi siya, parang lagi lang siya sa room niya at parang iniisip niya na walang nagmamahal para sa kanya, na may gusto sa kanya. Binili ko si Yuki, I give ko si Yuki kay kuya kasi at that time, wala siyang girlfriend. Ayaw ko malungkot ang kuya ko at gusto ko na may kasama siya sa bahay. At mayroong excited na makikita siya lagi. At yun na si Yuki. Nawawala na si Yuki.
Nasaan na si Yuki?
Now, hindi na malungkot ang kuya ko kasi he found forever companion ni Shea. I know that Shea have also discovered at the same unconditional love. I know that you love my brother the way he loves. With your whole heart, Shea, I'm so grateful that my kuya find the love of his life. Seeing the two of you together always makes me smile. I can't help it. You are a perfect match to each other. You give each other permission to be yourself. You accept each other's imperfection. Most importantly, you support and encourage each other. For sure, si Mami, andito siya. And I know, nakangiti siya. Kasi nakita mo na yung true love mo. At hindi na ako yung mag-aalaga para sa'yo. Diyan na si Shea. To my brother and his lovely wife, Shea, I could be more proud of the man you became and the woman you're chosen to share your life with. I am honored to have you both as family. I love you forever, Kuya. From your little sister. And welcome to Salazar family, Shea. Thank you.